Space has a way of surprising us when we least expect it. Every so often, astronomers discover an object that forces scientists to ask entirely new questions about the universe. In 2025, one such visitor entered the spotlight. Officially known as 3I Atlas, it became only the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed passing through our solar system. At first glance, it appeared to be another traveler from the vast darkness between the stars, following a path shaped by gravity alone. Most people never heard its name. To astronomers, however, it immediately became one of the most valuable objects ever discovered. Unlike asteroids born within our own solar system, this object began its journey around another star long before Earth even existed. Every observation offered a rare opportunity to study material from a completely different planetary system. As powerful observatories around the world focused on the visitor, the James Webb Space Telescope joined the effort. With its extraordinary infrared vision, Webb can reveal details hidden from ordinary telescopes, allowing scientists to examine the composition, temperature, and behavior of distant objects with remarkable precision. The first datasets raised intriguing questions. Instead of behaving exactly like a typical icy body, 3I Atlas displayed characteristics that scientists wanted to investigate more carefully. Subtle changes in brightness, unusual thermal signatures, and unexpected spectral details sparked lively discussions among researchers. None of these observations proved anything extraordinary on their own, but together they made the object one of the most closely watched visitors in recent years. As more measurements arrived, speculation spread rapidly across the internet. Videos and social media posts claimed that the object was transmitting signals, changing its course, or hiding advanced technology inside its surface. These dramatic stories captured millions of views, even though none had been confirmed by scientific evidence. That difference between observation and imagination became the real story. Every genuine discovery seemed to inspire an even more extraordinary theory. Some imagined an ancient alien probe drifting silently through space. Others suggested it could be a forgotten relic from a civilization far older than humanity. A few even wondered whether it had entered our solar system intentionally. Scientists approached the mystery differently. Rather than jumping to conclusions, they carefully compared each new observation with existing models of comets, asteroids, and interstellar bodies. Every image, every spectrum, and every calculation helped eliminate possibilities while revealing new questions. Whether 3I Atlas ultimately proves to be an unusual natural object or something that reshapes our understanding of interstellar visitors, one fact is already certain. It has reminded humanity that the universe remains far more mysterious than we often imagine. Every unexpected discovery encourages us to look deeper, question our assumptions, and remember that the greatest breakthroughs often begin with something that seems ordinary at first glance. As researchers continue collecting data, the story of 3I Atlas is still unfolding. Each observation adds another piece to a puzzle that spans unimaginable distances, offering a rare glimpse into a region of the galaxy we may never visit ourselves. Whatever the final explanation turns out to be, this remarkable traveler has already secured its place among the most fascinating objects modern astronomy has ever examined. As observatories continued tracking 3I Atlas, scientists became less interested in sensational headlines and more focused on collecting reliable data. Every new observation was carefully compared with earlier measurements, searching for patterns that could reveal where this extraordinary visitor had come from and what it was made of. Unlike ordinary asteroids that spend billions of years orbiting our Sun, this object carried a history that began around another star, making every detail scientifically valuable. The James Webb Space Telescope played a crucial role in that investigation. Its infrared instruments examined wavelengths invisible to the human eye, allowing researchers to estimate the object's temperature and identify materials on or near its surface. The results were fascinating, but they also reminded scientists how much remains unknown about interstellar objects. Because so few have ever been observed, there is no perfect model for predicting exactly how they should behave. As information spread online, speculation accelerated even faster than the research itself. Claims appeared suggesting that unusual heat patterns were evidence of hidden machinery, while others insisted that faint radio signals proved intelligent communication. These ideas captured public attention because they transformed an astronomical discovery into a mystery worthy of science fiction. Yet professional researchers remained cautious, emphasizing that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. That caution did not make the object any less exciting. In fact, the real scientific mystery was already remarkable. Imagine holding a fragment of another solar system in your hands. Every mineral, every layer of ice, and every grain of dust could preserve clues about planets, stars, and environments that formed light years away from Earth. Instead of asking whether the object carried an alien message, astronomers were asking equally profound questions. How common are planetary systems like ours? What chemical ingredients exist beyond our neighborhood? Could interstellar objects help explain how planets evolved throughout the galaxy? Each passing day improved the picture. New measurements refined the object's orbit, while additional observations reduced uncertainty about its size, shape, and rotation. Some earlier internet rumors faded as better data became available, but the excitement surrounding the visitor remained. Even without extraordinary explanations, 3I, ATLAS represented one of the rarest opportunities in modern astronomy. A chance to study material that had spent millions of years traveling through interstellar space before briefly crossing humanity's path. The story was no longer about proving an unbelievable theory. It had become a reminder that the universe does not need fictional mysteries to inspire wonder. Sometimes a single object, silently crossing the darkness between the stars, is enough to challenge everything we thought we knew. And as telescopes continued gathering information, scientists understood that the greatest discoveries might still lie hidden within data that had yet to be analyzed. The deeper scientists looked into 3I, Atlas, the more they realized that every answer seemed to uncover a new mystery. Instead of focusing on dramatic theories, research teams around the world concentrated on one goal: understanding the object's true origin. Its trajectory confirmed that it had entered our solar system from interstellar space, meaning it had likely spent millions, or even billions, of years traveling through the galaxy before reaching our cosmic neighborhood.